How to make a list on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a list on Word app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Word. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here and click on this plus icon, click on it like this, and now on this page just go down and you will find the make a list option. Click on it, and now here you can make a list easy and fast by edit the text. And after you finish, just click on the top corner on those three dots and click save, and everything will be saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.